To make this style of sketchbook, you are going to need two 12 by 12 scrapbook sheets of paper. They look like this. So two 12 by 12 sheets. You are going to need one box to recycle. You can also use mat board of desired size, scissors. You need a ruler. The ruler does not need to have a particular unit of measurement on it. We are actually going to be using it as a tool. You need 50 sheets of cardstock drawing paper. There are many options available at your local craft store, but you're going to need at least 50 sheets to help you get through this project. A pencil. For this tutorial, I am going to be using a pen just because it shows up better on the camera, but please use a pencil in case you make mistakes. You are going to need a glue stick. You're going to need two binder rings that are 2 inches apiece. That will be how you bind your project. A single hole puncher. And you are going to need a double hole puncher. In addition to these items, I also provide templates for my students just to make sure that they are making consistent cuts.